In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust inventory quantity in QuickBooks Online. Understanding how to efficiently manage your inventory in QuickBooks is crucial for maintaining accurate records and ensuring your business runs smoothly. Let's dive into the step-by-step process together and make each stage as clear as possible. First, when you're logged into your QuickBooks Online account, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll find the main navigation panel. From this panel, click on Sales. This section is your gateway to managing products, services, and eventually your inventory quantities. Once you are in the Sales section, look towards the top of the screen and you'll see a tab labeled Products and Services. Click on that tab. This will bring up a comprehensive list of all the products and services you currently have recorded in your QuickBooks account. Now, the next step is to find the specific product for which you need to adjust the inventory quantity. Scroll through your list or use the search function if you have a multitude of items to sift through. Once you've located the product, you're ready to make the necessary changes. You have two ways to proceed. You can either double-click directly on the product name, or you can simply click on the Edit button that's associated with the item. Upon doing so, a new panel will slide in from the left side of the screen. This is your workspace for editing, providing you with various options to adjust details about your product. Within this panel, look for the Quantity field. This is where you'll make the actual change to your inventory number. Click on this field to activate it, and then carefully type in the new quantity number that reflects your most current stock information. Once you have entered the updated quantity, it's important not to forget to save your changes. You'll usually see a Save button located somewhere near the bottom of the panel, or perhaps even at the top, depending on your interface setup. Click on that button to ensure all your changes are properly recorded in the system. And just like that, you're done. By following these steps, you've successfully updated the inventory quantity for your chosen product. Adjusting inventory in QuickBooks Online is quite straightforward once you get the hang of it, and keeping your numbers up to date will greatly aid in accurate reporting and efficient inventory management. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more tutorials or reach out. Happy bookkeeping!